Hi guys, today I am going to show QR code generated using Python by installing the QR code package using pip. First we have to open command prompt. After that we have to redirect into the where Python IDE is located by using cd control copy and then paste it in here. After that we have to install pip install QR code. Now it is installing right now. Let's wait frame. Yes, it shows requirement already satisfied because of in my IDE QR code package is already there. That's why it's showing this type of message. Now you can freely move to write the code in your IDE, whatever it is. My latest version is 3.9.1, so I can write code in that IDE. First we have to import QR code package. After that we have to create one variable for QR code generation, QRC code. This is the built-in method in QR code package. We have to mention version. After that box size of the box we have to give whatever you want. I want to give 10. After that border you want to give, I want to give 10. After that you have to add the data whatever scan after generating of QR code it is displayed in your mobiles. I want to display this is QR code. I want to display after scanning. You have to add data to the QR variable by using add data method. After that you have to generate one image by using make image function. Make image fill. You have to give colors for the QR code and background as well as foreground. Want to give black and back color means background color. Want to give white as image save by I want to save it as a abc.png. Yes, you have to print the message whether the QR code is generated or not in our output. Yes, you have to say by using Control S. I want to save it as a QR code.py. I want to give newly as a generated.py. C drives in Python programs. Because of all my Python programs are there, that's why I'm giving this path. Has successfully saved it. You can come interpret by using pressing F5. As it's showing generated, it means generated the QR code. Now you will free to go to this path and check it whether is ABC pick is there or not. You can go to Python programs. Yes, this is the ABC pick. Now you can open that and scan your QR code. This is the code for generating a QR code. I hope you are understand very well. Thank you friends. Thank you.